So let's just get deeper into the GTM motion. So what is your process of helping a startup with a GTM motion? What does like a day zero and a day one and so on looks like?
Yeah, it's a great question. I think joining a early stage startup as a first sales hire or building a go-to-market motion for a startup is not for the faint of heart, because it's a very challenging job. I think I tend to gravitate towards these jobs in my career because I really like the autonomy and kind of being able to see the progress and how quickly things can progress at the very beginning. I've been very fortunate to have great mentors and coaches and people in my career. And one of them is Mark Roberge, who's the former CRO of HubSpot. And I'm an LP in Stage 2 Capital, which is a fund that he created here in Boston. And he teaches these three stages of go to market, one being product market fit. So product market fit being critical to scaling any business, not trying to just go sell everything under the sun. And in those early days, really focusing on getting product feedback and understanding what the customer wants and measuring it actually by retention and not sales. You can't scale a business if you don't have retention of that customer. So we look at product market fit through the lens of retention, then go to market fit, which is going out to the market and selling and trying to build the proper unit economics that allow you to scale. Unit economics meaning for every dollar I spend, I'm going to get, $3 to $5 back, let's say. And typically that's the ratio that people will use when they want to start scaling a business. So I'm generally, when I enter a business on day zero, that's what I'm assessing. It's like, where are we in those three steps? If we're in the product market fit stage, what can my contribution be to help us advance to the go-to-market fit stage? Generally speaking, I'm looking pretty heavily at like unit economics on day one, trying to understand what's the current process. So sales process is critical. You fundamentally can't really measure anything until you have like a really good process in place that's well-defined with objective exit criteria. So building a process, I'd say, is incredibly important. And then also tools, and people, right? What is the staff that I need in order to execute? And then what are the tools that I need to arm them with in order to make them productive and efficient? I just joined Allwhere about 6 months ago. We purchased Gong within a week. And that's just because I've used Gong many times before. I know the power of it and what it can do to our business. I'm not trying to, give them a free commercial here, but it's one of many tools that I implemented right away, because I knew that it was going to be pretty critical for us to achieve a lot of the other things that we wanted to do. So that's a lot of what I'm doing right away, is kind of like first assessing, hey, where are we in this journey? And wherever we are in that journey, what are the key indicators I need to measure? Where do we need to be at in order to hit our goals? And then developing a plan to address that delta.